Hello everybody. Today I am going to explain how to save an RX tank from welding. This tank is very old. Due to rust inside the tank, I applied a solution named Tank Rescue. The solution is supposed to be placed inside the tank for more than 24 hours. After 8 to 9 hours, I came to know that the tank was leaking. This is a very old tank. That's why it's happened. So, I spent a lot of money to paint this tank and finish like this. So, I don't want to go for welding, because if I go for welding, I know the paint will get damaged, and again I have to clean the tank with water. The rust will come again. So I tried many products like M-Seal, Araldate, like that. Everything failed. Later I found out a product named epoxy aluminum paste, chemical solution to mechanical problems. Is written here. You can apply this for pinholes in petrol tanks. It's very cheap also, 50 rupees only. See, this is the hardener, this is the thinner. The ratio is 1:3. So here I applied the material. It's stony hard. It's not at all leaking now. So I saved the tank from welding and damaging the paint. What the process of applying this epoxy is: clean the area with the sandpaper or a blade like this, remove the oil part and mix this 1:3 ratio and apply it. After that, wait for 5 to 6 hours. It will get stony hard. Before applying, you can use a thinner also, because thinner will help the oily areas outside the tank. Then you can apply this material. This is a very good material. Still now I don't have any leakage. You can also try for this and save the tank from welding process. Thank you.